As the first rays of dawn painted the eastern sky in hues of soft pink and gold, I found myself eagerly preparing for a journey filled with anticipation and warmth. Today marked the day when I would journey to Kokrajhar railway station, a place that would soon witness the arrival of my beloved sister and her husband, journeying all the way from Dibrugarh. The morning air was crisp and filled with the scent of dew-kissed grass, promising a day of new beginnings and cherished reunions. I packed a small picnic basket with homemade treats, warm sandwiches, freshly baked cookies, and a thermos of steaming chai. These were not just provisions for the road, but tokens of love, ready to be shared in moments of laughter and stories yet untold. As I drove through the awakening streets, the town slowly stirred from its slumber. Shop shutters creaked open, revealing colorful displays of local crafts and wares. The aroma of breakfast from roadside eateries mingled with the gentle hum of morning chatter, creating a symphony of everyday life that underscored the significance of this day. The road stretched ahead, winding through lush green landscapes and sleepy villages. Each turn unveiled a new vista, fields bathed in golden light, rivers glistening like liquid silver, and distant hills draped in mist. Nature itself seemed to join in the celebration of reunion, painting the canvas of the morning with strokes of tranquility and beauty. As I approached the railway station, my heart quickened with anticipation. The station, usually bustling with travelers, wore a serene demeanor in the early morning. Birds chirped in the nearby trees, their songs blending with the distant whistle of a train announcing its arrival. I found a parking spot under the shade of a banyan tree, a natural canopy that seemed to welcome travelers and locals alike with its cool embrace. Standing on the platform, I watched as passengers disembarked with weary smiles and eager hugs. Each face held a story, tales of journeys undertaken, of destinations reached, and of loved ones eagerly awaited. Among them, I spotted my sister and brother-in-law, their eyes alight with joy and relief at the sight of familiar faces amidst the crowd. Our reunion was filled with laughter and embraces, as we exchanged stories of our time apart and plans for the days ahead. The picnic basket opened to reveal its treasures, and we shared a meal amidst the rhythmic clatter of departing and arriving trains. Time seemed to slow down, allowing us to savor each moment, the warmth of family bonds and the comfort of being together again. As the sun rose higher in the sky, casting long shadows and warming our spirits, I couldn't help but reflect on the beauty of early mornings, moments of quiet reflection and anticipation, where the world seemed to hold its breath in anticipation of new possibilities. Today, Kokrajhar railway station became more than just a transit point. It became a place where memories were woven and connections reaffirmed.